Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by entering Windows Recovery Environment, so plug in a recovery USB if available. First, try Settings Update and Security Recovery Restart Now to launch WinRe. If the system won't boot into the OS, interrupt the boot sequence 3 times to force WinRe. This triggers automatic repair attempts. Once WinRe appears, make sure you note the available options: Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, and System Restore. These are the tools you'll use next. Once in Advanced Options, choose Startup Repair and let it run. It fixes common boot issues automatically. If that fails, open Command Prompt to execute targeted repairs. You'll run bootrec/fixmber to restore the master boot record, then bootrec/fixboot to rewrite the boot sector. After that, run bootrec/scanos and bootrec/rebuild to detect and rebuild Windows entries. Make sure to check drive letters in disk part if commands report missing volumes. Then retry rebuild steps when after completing repairs, remove any recovery media and restart the PC to test normal boot. If it still fails, use System Restore from Advanced Options to roll back to a working point, or choose Reset this PC and pick Keep My Files to preserve data while reinstalling Windows. Make sure to run chkdskc/f from Command Prompt if you suspect disk errors, because corrupted sectors often block recovery. If none of this works, note error messages.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.